Hi Planner friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be doing a plan with me for my currently page for August. And I must say I don't normally do currently pages. I think I've only done one so far, and yeah, I thought, oh well, I might give it a go. The reason is because I grabbed this print your own sticker from Planit.Darbi, and I'll pop her links down in the description below. And these are prompts for your currently page. And yeah, I just love the fonts, love what they are, all different ones. And I thought, yeah, I think I might give it a go this month. So, because the 1st of August is National Planner Day, I'm going to be using Planning a Life I Love by Kell of a Plan. I just love this book. I've used it in quite a few of my spreads, as you can see. So I thought I would use it again, and I might this time use, because there's all different colorways and color themes in this, and I thought I might use either this one here, because I think this one's quite cute, or this one. But I think I might go with this one. I think this one's, yeah, I think this one's the winner. Winner, winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Okay. Sorry. That got out of hand, didn't it? Okay, so I am going to pop down here. I thought I would put in here a couple of different things for each week, a couple of different, things that I want to do, and then I put it in the news type section so I can write something that's happened in the month down there, because yeah, we have a hell of a lot happening in this month. As for important dates, I might keep that, I might not. I haven't really thought about that, but yeah, I think I am liking that. And yeah, okay, so where to start? Well, first of all, we might pop down some boxes. I think I want about 4 different things, because I thought I might use, let me get my pen. Here we go. I thought I might use the in the news one, the reading a course, the watching, what else? And then maybe a grateful for or an enjoying. Yeah, maybe something like that as well. So that's like 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I think an enjoying. We'll use the enjoying. All right. So, something sticky on the back of that. Okay. All right. I might see if I can find some washi to match, because I have a funny feeling that this would look better with a little bit of washi on it. So if you hang 10 and let me find some washi, I won't be long. Okay, so I grabbed some that are not too bad. That blue matches that, and that green sort of is similar to that, and that sort of matches that pink, and another matchy smaller one to the blue. So I'm kind of liking that. I think that might yeah, be enough. So what I might do is actually with the blue one, oops, find the end of it. Oh, we're having a very windy, horrible day here. So if you hear howling, that is just the wind. Nothing to be afraid of. But it is rainy, windy, and absolutely horrid here. So yeah, pop that down there. Then we might do a little accent of the pink on the bottom. I like ripping at my washi. I think ripping the washi is I don't know, gives it a bit more dimension, bit more texture. Okay, I'm going to pop that there like that, and then I'm going to take it currently from here. Very gently pry it off, and I'm going to use that as my header. So currently All right, so some boxes. Let's get down a pink box. What I might do is put some washi underneath the these on these boxes. So I'm going to pop one there. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hello, Milo. I can hear you down there. What do you want? Hopping down, buddy. Hopping down, my buddy. Okay, so what I might do is on some of these, I'm just going to take the thinner washi and put a little over the top like so. Hopefully this will look nice. If not, well, doesn't matter. Go and sit down, buddy. Just trying to climb up on my chair. Put that one there. Bit of the green. Sorry, you may be able to hear my son in the background. He is in his room, but he has headphones on and he's playing his video games, so he can be quite loud sometimes because he doesn't realise how loud he is being. Yes. Dude, you need to sit down. Go and sit down, buddy. Go. Go sit. Go on. Go and find your pig's ear and go and sit down. Milo. He's bashing my rubbish bin. I might just do the blue down there. Like so. Okay, so let's get these down. So this one can be enjoying. This one can be reading. Actually, I want to move that enjoying down a bit. Hopefully I can pull it up. Being on washi, I should be able to. Let me get my little picker. Oh, blend came off the thing. That's all right. Yeah, move that down sort of in the middle there, like that. I'll get my little tweezers if I can find them. There they are. Oops. Let's see if we can pop this back down. Nah, that sort of joins up. It's good enough. Okay, and then watching. Here. And then in the news. Okay. Oh, I like that already. Okay, so let us pop down some of the decorative stickers as well around the place. I really like this. This is it's Planner National Planner Day, so this definitely has to go somewhere, and I think it can live. Actually, we could just type it like that. Type it. Where did I get type it from? We can just pop it down like that. Oh, what else do we have? Let's pop down. I really like this too. I guess that will fit up there. Yeah, perfectly. All right, we need something in this space here, of course. We might put in there this big. Go there like that. Love this little mug with the pens in it. We can go down here. I'm going to put a little pop plant there. I'm going to put a little clippy paper clip. Put that in there like that. Now we need something there, but I might actually just do a saying in there because we've got sayings in this book. Okay. What can we pop in there? Planning changed my life. Planning is my game. She planned a life she loved. Actually, going to pop this in because I think that's very close to that green. Wonder if. Sorry. Milo, please sit down, buddy. That's not the one I used. Oh, the page is falling out everywhere. Gotta find the thing that I used now. Where is it? Where is it? Milo, sit, buddy. I don't know what he wants. Use one of these bigger boxes. Take the yellow. I just think it would look nice if it was in a box and not just on its own on the page, if you know what I mean. If I could get it straight, it would help. I'm gonna use my undo here because I'm sure I'm gonna wreck it. Undo. It's the planner's best friend. I use it all the time. You don't need a lot, as you can see, a little bit, and it just comes straight up. It saves your money, time, and your stickers and your sanity and everything else in between. I'm in Australia and I get mine from Bunnings. You can get yours probably from, I know that eBay have it, Amazon have it. The Bunnings here is I think you have Bunnings in America, don't you? I'm not quite sure. It's a hardware store. So, yeah, I'm sure that hardware stores would have it. All right, and then I'm going to pop that in the middle because I think that looks better. Okay. Is there anything else I want to pop in there? Let's have a little bit of a squizzy at these things. I like this little charm. Might just pop that down there. They're all quite big, aren't they? That's what I was thinking. That they're all quite big, big stickers. I think that's enough. I think that looks really good. All right. I am quite happy for my second only currently page. I think that has turned out really good. So if you have enjoyed this video, can you please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for hanging out with me.